Beetles, tiny builders of Earth. When we think of the giants who shape our planet, we often imagine elephants, whales, or mighty trees. But sometimes the greatest builders are the smallest creatures. Among them are the beetles, tiny architects who quietly work in forests, deserts, and fields, shaping life in ways we barely notice. Beetles belong to the order Coleoptera, which means sheath wing. With over 400,000 known species, beetles are the largest group of animals on Earth. In fact, 1 out of every 5 living species on this planet is a beetle. They come in every size, shape, and color, from the jewel-like scarab beetles that glitter like emeralds to the strong and tough dung beetles rolling balls of soil and waste. The architects of nature. Beetles are more than just insects, they are builders. Dung beetles recycle animal waste, turning it into fertile soil. Without them, fields and forests would drown in waste and disease. Wood-boring beetles break down fallen trees, returning nutrients to the soil. Ground beetles keep pests under control, protecting crops and plants. Everywhere we look, beetles are shaping the earth, silently and patiently. They are nature's cleaners, recyclers, and farmers. Symbols of power and culture. In ancient Egypt, scarab beetles were sacred symbols of the sun and rebirth. Pharaohs wore scarab amulets, believing the beetle's strength and resilience brought protection in life and after death. Even today, beetles inspire art, jewelry, and stories. Their hard shells, shining like armor, remind us of tiny warriors carrying the weight of the natural world. The builder's tools. Beetles may be small, but they are equipped with extraordinary tools. Their jaws can crush, carve, and dig. Some beetles can carry objects many times their own body weight. Imagine a human lifting a truck. Others glow in the dark, lighting up forests at night like stars scattered across the earth. Some species are farmers. Leafcutter beetles cut tiny pieces of plants to grow fungus, which becomes their food. Dung beetles roll their treasures underground to feed their young. Each task may look small, but together beetles keep the cycle of life moving. The hidden heroes. With beetles, our world would collapse in ways we can hardly imagine. Forests would rot without their recyclers. Fields would be overrun with pus. Soil would lose its richness. Even birds and mammals would starve, for beetles are food for countless creatures. In their tiny bodies lies a power that holds ecosystems together. That is why scientists call beetles ecosystem engineers. Lessons from Beetles. Beetles teach us that no role is too small to be important. They remind us that greatness is not measured by size, but by impact. Even the tiniest of creatures can build, protect, and sustain the world. So the next time you see a beetle crawling in the soil or flying past your window, remember you are looking at one of Earth's oldest and most dedicated builders. Silent, tireless, and powerful, beetles prove that the smallest lives often carry the greatest weight. Closing. Beetles, tiny builders of Earth, guardians of the soil, and silent heroes of nature. Let us honor their story and protect their world, for in serving them, we save ourselves. Call to action. End of video. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife tales.